Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be on calculating the tangent line at a certain point. Okay, so our first equation here is y equals x squared, like this. So if we draw this up as a graph, we get this. X squared is a parabola, so it looks like this. Great. Now we have our x value. Our x value is 3. So we'll say 3 is here. But we need a y value. So it says here that y equals x squared. So that means that if x equals 3, be like this. Y equals 3 squared. Because 3 is x. So this means that y equals 9. Great. So now we know that this point here is 3, 9. Perfect. This is going to help us work out the equation for the tangent line. So to do this, we are going to have to work out the derivative of f of x, or f prime of x, like this. F prime of x equals, if f of x equals x squared, and we are just getting the derivative of y, then it's going to be like this, 2x. Great. So this is what we're going to use to work out the tangent line. Okay, so if x is our 3, this means f of 3 equals 2 by 3, which equals 6. So this is going to be the slope of our tangent line. So we can write it like this. So this is the slope form of writing it down. This is the way to write it down. So this is our formula, y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. So in this case, y1 is going to be 9. So y minus 9 equals m, which is our slope here, 6. So 6 times x minus x1 is, if y1 is 9, that means that x1 must be 3. So x minus 3. So this is going to be our answer. This is our second equation. X squared plus 4. Y equals x squared plus 4. So as a graph, it is going to look like this. So our parabola is going to be x squared, and then we're just going to raise it 4 by 4 on the y-axis. So it will look something like this. If this is 4, then our parabola is going to be like this. That was not a very good drawing, sorry. Okay, so our x is going to be 6. We want to find our point where x equals 6. So we'll call this point 6 here. And so we can go like this. But wait, we need to know our y before we do this. So if y equals x squared plus 4, we are going to have to plug in 6 for x. So that will turn y equals x squared plus 4 into this. Y equals 6, being the x, squared, plus 4. So that means that y equals 36 plus 4. So therefore, y equals 40. Great. So now we know our y value. Y equals 40. So we can write this point here as 6 being our x coordinate and 40 being our y coordinate. Great. So now we are going to find the tangent line for that point. Okay. So first we're going to find, so f of x is y, so that means that f of x equals x squared plus 4. Great. So f prime of x equals 2x, as the rule is x to the n dx d over dx equals n x n minus 1. Okay, so this becomes 2x plus 0, as any constant becomes 0. So if we plug in 6 for x, it's going to be 2 times 6. Okay, so that means 12. So this is going to be the slope. So the slope of the tangent equals 12. Great. So now we're going to write it in this format. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Great. So our y1 is going to be 40, as shown here. Y minus 40 equals... The reason I'm changing my 4's up is because I want to make it easier for you guys to read. And our m, which is going to be our slope, is 12. So our x1 is going to be 6, as our y1 is 40 minus 6. Great. So that means that this slope here is going to be 12. That is the instantaneous rate of change. So thanks for watching today. So main points I want you to take from this is the slope of the tangent line is f prime of x. And this gives you m. Great. So then remember this notation. Y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. So y1 is going to be the y coordinate given, m is going to be the slope, and x1 is going to be the x coordinate given. So thank you for watching today. I hope you learned something new from this. I'll see you in the next video.